Hi. In this episode, we are going to see about HashMap and BTreeMap data types in Rust. So in HashMap it's like a dictionary, like a key value per collection of data structure. So keys cannot be duplicated and values can be retrieved from HashMap in constant time. It supports higher order functions such as map, flat map, filter, for each, zip, etc. through iterated write. HashMap can be created using following ways. It, it can create an empty hash map using the new method of it. Also, if you have some known set of array values and you can create a hash map using the iterator write, like the collect method of it, like this. And finally, hash map can also be created using the vec macro. So same as like the array type, we can also pass the vec and using the into iterator, the collect method of into iterator, we can create a hash map. Let's have a quick demo. So in this example, so we are going to see HashMap create how to work with HashMap data type in Rust. So like we have seen in the presentations, HashMap can be created using various ways. So here we are creating HashMap using the new method. So it will be an empty HashMap. So whenever we create a new HashMap with a new method, we need to make sure the variable is declared with the mid keyword. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to populate value to it. Second approach is like you can create a hash map with a array typed array data type, and then using the iterator trait, the collect method of iterator trait, you can create a hash map. And the last option is like you can use a vec macro like this. There are various DSL operation we can apply on HashMap. For example, using the values collection. So the sum method, we can apply a sum method. Values will return an iterator, and then calling a sum method on it will return the sum of all the values in the HashMap. For example, in this HashMap, the key is of type string literal and values of type integer. And the same way we can also call a product method on the from the values iterator. And here, calculating computing the product of it can also be done using the fold method. So fold is also another form of performing an aggregation. So it is a reduce like operation. So here you need to pass the initial value and then you need to pass anonymous function, and then here it's a kind of a lambda. So you just pass the variable and then it will get multiplied by each one of them, and then finally the result will be returned. And hashmap can also be converted into another totally different data type. For example, here in this case we are creating the values from the hash map and creating a vec out of it. So it will be a vector of integer. The same way here we are creating hash set out of hash map, and then we finally the filter operation which we perform on hash map, and then we are filtering the values with it, which is starting with rest, and we are finally creating a vec out of it. Let's have a quick execution. Let's try. Yep. So thank you for watching. Next, we are going to see BTreeMap. So BTreeMap, it's a map based on binary tree. It's a dictionary like key value pair collection. It's data structure. So keys cannot be duplicated. Values can be retrieved from BTreeMap in constant time. It also supports higher order functions such as map, flat map, filter, for each, zip, etc. through iterated write. So BTree can also be created using the following ways. It's exactly same like HashMap. So you can create an empty BTree map using the new method. And if you have some known set of values, a bitmap can be created using the collect method of iterated write. So bittree also can be created using vec macro. So vec macro with the collect method from the into iterated write, you can create a bittree map. Let's have a quick demo. In this quick example, we are going to see how to work with bittree map. So BTreeMap we have seen in the presentation. So it can be created using various ways, like a new method, which is create an empty BTreeMap, and then from a known set of values from using array and also using vec. So it's same like HashMap. So BTreeMap also supports various DSL operation, the higher order functions like the sum, product, whole using the values iterator. Right. You can also convert BitreeMap to a totally different type. For example, here we are creating all the values and then creating a vec. Same like we are creating all the values and creating a hash set. So we apply a filter higher order function and then creating a map or getting a map out, getting a vec out of it using the map method, map and collect method. Let's quickly run through it. Thank you for watching this video. Please support Madly Rest channel by like and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel to continue to receive Rust related content. Thank you.